easy there, Tanya.
That's the one. Oh, look at his teeth.
Bite you.
Oh, he wants some. All right, we're heading to the petting zoo.
Yeah, and maybe we can ride the horse.
Maybe we're gonna ride the horses. Oh, it's stinky in here.
I like this.
There it is. Oh, it's small. Hear him?
Yeah.
Okay, cover it up with your hand because they'll come and try to get it. See, they're already looking. Cover it like this with your hand. There you go. Oh, they're waiting for you. See?
No.
I told you, they're hungry.
No.
Oh, they're hungry. Oh, Caleb,
It's not me.
they're starving. Here, I'm gonna give you a little bit. Look, I was standing right here, and all of a sudden I felt something breathing, and the llama was right next to me.
I'm gonna, Mom, this guy won't get away from me.
Okay, here, we'll give it to Dad.
This guy won't get away from me.
Oh, that was sweet. I know.
Hey.
Oh, look, Caleb, there's some deers. Yeah, it like.
My hand.
Yeah.
I got nothing else.
Look, Caleb, there's all kinds of stuff.
Oh my God.
That's the one that took it from Caleb.
Yeah, I can tell.
Caleb.
That's the one,
Hi.
isn't it?
Hi there.
This is a baby?
Hi. There's the baby right there.
Oh my goodness.
It's the pig.
It's Lola.
We gotta go up there and pet him.
Yeah.
You can't feed him though.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, he's cute. Hey, buddy.
He's so little.
Hi, buddy. Oh, hi.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, you're a cutie. Oh,
Oh my goodness.
oh look at the deer, Caleb. Oh, man.
You can
look
feed
at
the
him.
cow though?
Yeah, I think so. Just not the donkey or the pig. Oh,
Dirty bottom.
Caleb.
Oh, look at his teeth. Look, he just looked at me with his teeth like
Hi,
that.
buddy. Oh, you're beautiful.
Addison.
They like you. Look.
Yeah. Whoa, easy there, Tanya.
That's the one. That's the one.
Oh, yeah?
You can't. You're not supposed to feed the llama. Hi.
Yeah, see, you see it?
Caleb. Caleb.
Look, little fire.
I don't know.
Smile, Jeremy.
Oh, they're gonna fight over it.
Oh no.
Hi. Look at your dad.
Aubrey would have been so jealous.
Your dad's getting bombarded with all the.
Yeah, and I'm getting bombarded.
Just give him a little piece of it. Yeah, give him a little piece. You can give him little pieces of that.
Look,
Oh my
follow me.
goodness.
Look.
Oh.
I know.
That's how I want him to do at the land. I want
Can I show you, Dad? Don't need a shirt. Don't need a shirt.
Oh, no. That's what she did. I guess it's good. I'm supposed to hold this
Oh.
until again.
Go away. Can you take a picture of me in the
Yeah. Smile.
Oh.
Oh. If you can you bend down a little bit? Okay.
I love this.
You like this? This
Where's
is my
the pic-
favorite part. Oh, look at the little baby.
Mom,
What?
look behind you.
Oh. He's laying there. Oh my goodness. Hi. Here, Caleb, get on there and smile.
Oh, he likes my hand.
Hi there. Hey, buddy. All right, smile.
Yeah, I know.
Hi, buddy. You're so cute. Oh.
I did it.
Smile, Caleb.
Let me get it out. Oh, Dad. Now we're doing it.
That's he says, give me a bite. Hi, little baby. Oh, you're so cute.
Oh, now the deer comes.
Oh, she's cute. All right, smile. Okay.
Oh, no, look.
No, let's let you start. She's like, nope.
Yeah. Oh, you want some? Give him a piece.
No, I want that.
What?
Oh. He don't want hugs. He just wants your cone.
No hugs.
Caleb's found some piggy friends. Up. They like. Oh, they like when you pet them. Caleb. Caleb.
Bites you.
Oh, yeah.
That's a double chin, Caleb.
What?
That's a double chin.
What is?
The other one's whacking him with his tail over.